Now, me personally, I'm not lucky enough to have a Valentine this year. Now, can't you imagine? No chocolates, no flowers, me a Kit Katty, me a chocolate, even though I'm a late type of boy.
Now, I'm not one to gossip. But I just feel like I need to say this. Now, I've known Robin for a long time now. And I've noticed over the years, he's a very brave person. Scared of nothing but being his friend all these years. Is another thing that I've noticed that he is scared of. And that's relationships. Once he gets to that phase of the relationship where things get serious, dan is Robin die wegste. And I was trying to understand when I saw the posters for the show. I said, okay, it's a love thing. Why would Robin do such a thing if he knows that deel van sy lewe is die regie? Now, if it was up to me, I would say, Saul presents Robin Peters, Runaway Bride.